Welcome to this weekly webinar of me and you talking about how you can become a better trader and potentially also becoming a successful forex trader. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can find your strategy or the strategy that you're using every single day, every single month, every single year to enter into the financial market. My name is Ivan Bidal. I am your mentor, your helper, and your economist. I have been trading for over 5 years. I'm here to help you. And by the way, trading is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Don't invest money you cannot afford to lose. Risk little and learn from your mistakes. Apart from that, that sounds make me alive. Alright, let's go. So, if you are here live or in the recordings, please comment. I love your comments. That's what makes me and you interact. And if you feel like there might be a possibility for a like or a share, then I'm much appreciated. And if you haven't liked my page already, please like it so you can see future webinars. Skål. The reason for this video is I did a Facebook post and people were like, this is my struggle. This is what I'm struggling with. So every time people said that, okay, I struggle with going from strategy to strategy to strategy. And I find that, interesting. Well, I have been there, so I really know how it feels. Alright? Then let's do a webinar on that. So I think that's perfect when it comes to how to become a better trader is how do you find your own strategy? Then Zola says hi to everyone. I say hi back. Smiley face. Awesome. Then we will find the right mouse. Then we will find the right tools. Yeah, let's do that actually, by the way. How to become a better trader. Hi class. And yeah. Can you currently tell your strategy to your grandmother? If she's alive, I only have one left, so can you really tell your current strategy to your grandmother? That's what always they told us in school as a test of how well is your strategy really, right? I'm just moving around so I can see the chat. How well is your strategy? I can tell you my strategy. I am a swing trader. I buy and sell Japanese yen throughout the years. I have different biases. I have different directions on the yen. But currently, I am buying the yen, selling yen pairs. And if you saw CAD yen today, well, we hit weekly profits. So this is awesome. Okay? The problem is, as we have talked about, is that retail traders goes from strategy to strategy and never finds profitability. I can talk about myself. I guess you have been there as well. But I have been through breakouts. I have been through patterns. I have been through RSI and Bollinger Bands and oscillators and moving averages, crossovers, cross downs. MACD, I was kind of passing by, but I didn't find any, I didn't understand it really. I guess that's what it is. So, yeah. Then Mugala says hello. I say hello. We are now live. This is awesome. Back to talking. Okay. So in this video, we'll learn everything about strategy and the strategy I teach in my course. So if you need a mentorship course, it's costing $300 at the moment. Or if you wanted to buy only the technical analysis course without a mentorship, which is awesome, as my students, then it only costs you $100 right now. So then we will talk. What is a strategy? A strategy is forex trading strategy is a technique used by forex trader to determine whether to buy or sell a currency pair at any given time. Quite easy. So, what do you need to choose? You need to choose a strategy. Okay, one strategy, and really don't tweak it, because the problem with you and me and as traders, we tweak things. So we take something from here, we take something from here, we take a MACD, we take an RSI, we take an oscillator, we take trend trading, we take swing trading, we take day trading, and we take support and resistance, and you mix it together, and then that is your strategy. No. I've also seen a chart lately with 4 indicators. You know, I need one. That's the only thing what you need, right? So choose one strategy. Okay, one is the goal here. One strategy, mine or someone else. Mine. Depends on your trading style. So what kind of strategies is out there? Well, strategies is have Googled it, and what I've found is that there is day trading, there is range trading, swing trading, and carry trading / position trading. What do? I do swing trading and actually position trading. I'm transitioning into long-term trading. I just hold a trade just for the sake of interest. It pays me. But that will be in the mentorship course. Interest it pays me as just holding the trade. I get money without pips. Pips not included. Holding the trade. That is position trading. And then I hold it until forever. Maybe a year, maybe 2, maybe 3. Depends. Right? Isn't that awesome? You got that for free, didn't you? That you can hold a trade for so long, you can just get interest on your investment. Okay. So what do? I do swing trading. Okay, we have chosen that strategy then. Then you have to choose a currency. I am a yen trader. Many of my traders are USD traders. Many of them are USD traders. There is some euros and there is some New Zealand dollar traders. Okay. And how do you choose one currency? Do you like risk on, risk off? Do you like commodities? Or do you like USD because you're American, or you like America, or you want to go to America, so you trade USD? Okay, fine. Or something that you're already familiar with. So one currency, people. One currency. Then you need to backtest your strategy. Okay? But how do you enter the market? Well, let's come into the next one, because that also goes into swing trading. How do you enter the market? And how can you then backtest your strategy that your strategy actually works? Right? Whoops, is it? Come on. There you are. So I'm a swing trader. So I hate the, I hate this, and I love this, I love this, and I love this, and I especially love that. Okay, so what do? I go from, okay, potentially in the market like this, I would say I would love to enter maybe here and take profit here. That is one trade, but yeah. So I go from here to here. As a day trader, for example, you would go down to the 15 minutes maybe, then go to today and say today, oops, that's too much. So today you said that is the high, so you would then maybe sell up here, or if you go down to trend trading, which is higher low, higher, no, lower low, lower high, that is in this case lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, and then it's sold off. Okay? That is what you do all the time. Or if you're a buyer, you buy higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, stop. Right? And then as a swing trader, how do you backtest it? Well, you go with a pattern. What patterns do I use? I use double tops, double bottoms. That is a double top. That is a lower low. And that is my entry. It went higher, though. Okay, so that might not be so well. Okay, today. Today. I know there's a double top there. Just taking it away. Okay, it was 15 minutes then. Okay. So here we have a double top, lower low, then you would love it to come back again, then you can sell it. And then I enter here, I enter here, I enter here, I enter here, I mean, and then let it go. Let it go. And then, yeah, I enter at resistance or support. Resistance, because that is previous support, and then I think that's a good place. But what happens here then? I was buying in this area. Okay, double bottom, higher high, higher low would be the best up here, and then continuation. It did not happen. It went lower. It made a new low, and then it went sideways. So this is how you can go. Candle by candle, where do you see and where do you hope for it to reverse? Because don't you want to start trading into the new trend, don't you? Because you're a trend trader, you want to catch the new trend. Yes and no. You should have done your analysis, maybe a fundamental analysis that says in March, in April, in October, in November, I will be buying. Because the last 10 years, it has been going up or down in October. Okay, then you start looking for signs that in October, it will go up or it will go down. So then you have a hypothesis that, for example, October will be down. Then now you start looking for only sell setups. As a swing trader, you want the trend to turn around. You don't want to buy. Oops, that was wrong. You don't want to buy here because you want to sell, right? And then you need something like this that I've showed here, or something like this, as we can go into here. When you have a uptrend, I would say smaller one, you have, this is all the way okay. This is up. This is up. But here you have not a new high. Here you have not a new high. And here you have definitely not a new high. When you have no new highs, especially the second one, that's when you're like, okay, that's what I saw. And then you see a new low. Here, that's a new low. Why is that a new low? Because that's a low, that's a low, that's a low, and it's just lower than 3. 3 lows. That is amazing. So what you do then? You're like, oh. Then you wait for it to come back up again. And that's where I sold around 81.60. Yeah, ish. There. Let me take away. Around there. That's where I sold it. And here we are. Okay? And then if you were a buyer in, what is it, September? Let's do it September. So September, you have all of this. And then what else do you want then as a buyer? You want an uptrend? Okay, yeah, that's good. Trend trading. I need to just take this away. You want up, 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 up. Maybe that's too much for you because you want a pullback. Okay, you want a pullback? Okay. Then you say this. Well, it all the way went all the way down here though. But if this is a double bottom, as you would love it to be, of the 23% Fibonacci retracement, if that makes any sense to you, doesn't really make sense to me. Then you need a new high, a new low, and that's your entry here. Okay, that's really basically your entry for the buy in September. But why didn't you buy up here? When it came down here, when it came down here, when it came down here, when it came down here. Because those are still lower lows. You don't know until it breaks above one of these highs that it actually has started to turn around. Solo says, please go through USD SAR again, as I am on it for a sell. Okay. So, I just want to finish up what I'm doing here. What is my strategy? I'm a swing trader. I use 4 hours, maybe 1 hour. I use pivot points. I only trade Japanese yen. And 90% of my strategy is fundamental analysis. And what we have been talking about here is 10% of my trading. This is just tactical entries. I have decided that I want to buy or sell for the month. Then I only look for that direction. For the entire month, maybe for the whole season. Well, I wanted to buy in August, I wanted to buy in September, and I wanted to sell in October. Has that been correct? It was correct in September, all the way up until 11th, 12th, and then it went down for a pullback. Fine. And then it came to October, I said sell to myself. And now we are on the way down. USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR. Okay. You are on a sell. Well, if that could potentially be a double top, yes. Okay. Then that's your pullback, and that's your entry. But I will not be, I won't be very confident about it, because this is a strong trend. It has not gone below this low yet. So on the 4 hours, it's still high up, though you can say this is resistance for you, but it has reached above monthly sell, and I would say that's still bullish. Sorry. Hope that was a demo and not real. Is there any other questions, people? Questions? I want questions. Is this understandable? That I use 90% is fundamental analysis, which is a different course that I haven't created yet. Technically, I just use 10% of my strategy. I just look for the market to be agreeing with my direction. And if I don't find that, I won't trade. If it doesn't go in my direction, I look for a reversal. Double bottom, double top. Maybe you can also call it head and shoulders sometimes. And then I look for high. If I want to buy USDR in this market, I would say when we are here, I would wait. Interesting. Support comes down. Buy. Comes up. Okay. Oops. Comes up. Buy. That is your definite buy. Comes up. Comes back down to that support. Buy. Comes up. Comes back down to that support. Buy. Comes up. Comes back down. Buy. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 entries in this trend on the 4 hours. And how many pips is it maximally? I said that was the entry. Maximally it's 500 pips or whatever. I don't know what that is, but I don't know. 500, 5,000, something. Euro USD. What are you doing on Euro USD? Somebody requested for Euro USD. Euro USD had an entry here. Oops. That wasn't possible. That wasn't. That's an entry. And then you have this as support, no resistance, now support. Now you wait here. Has this turned around? Well, yeah, some. It's a new high. So you're waiting for it to go higher. Will it be kicked down here? Well, be sure and be ready at that price. I really must say. Be ready and be sure about that price. Now, can you say that's a reversal pattern that I would love? Yeah, okay, I can do decently that. That's, I would say, maybe head and shoulders. That's okay. Planning. That's awesome. That's your first aggressive entry. Risky but aggressive entry. And then you wait for price to come back down here around 109. But if it just takes off, bye-bye. Yeah. And now that's our reversal pattern that I would say, and then we're going back up. But we're only going back up to the monthly sell. We actually kicked. Ouch. What is that, people? What is that? What is that, people? Ouch. That hurts. I didn't see that. Let's do that. Boom. That is the monthly buy for Euro USD. At this specific price that you're buying for October. I studied on Monday, which is 30th of September. That is the price to buy from. That is a reversal pattern that you love to see off the price, off the support you wanted, comes back to you. Bam! That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I hope you're enjoying your profits, people, if you bought Euro USD. And for those who didn't buy there, learn. Watch and learn. This, people, you have to understand. You have to be there ahead of the market, planning ahead and saying, this is where I want to look for a buy. This is where I look for a reversal. You got the reversal. Then you just execute what you have been waiting for. Oh, I really think this is amazing. CAD Swiss. Why? Swiss is reaching higher and CAD is going far down. I haven't done anything on CAD Swiss solo. But if you want to learn how I view the market, how I find my buys, and how I can help you find your buys, and how we can work on this simple strategy, you have to buy my mentorship course or my technical course, or you can watch here and see if you learn something from my free webinars that I have 3 times a week now. No further ado, you have to go to ivanfx.com/p mentorship to find, well, what is there for you. And then if you didn't find that to be too much for you, and what is my students really saying about my course? Well, they're saying, Ivan, this is unbelievable. And it's so ridiculously cheap. And then you can go to ivanfx/p/CFC to get the comprehensive technical analysis course. Just $100. And then I would say, maybe that intrigues you, but as a bonus for you, limitedly, I would say I would give you the months and my entries of what I do every month. This is not a technical course, but if you buy it now, this, I don't know, maybe for a few days now, I will send an email to you, only you who signs up, the month, the date that I look for sells and look for buys. And if you were with me, you would have gotten this entry here of 81.60, and we are still tanking, and we hit weekly profit. We are down 114 pips just today. I love you guys. I really hope you have improved your trading, understand what to look for, reversal, and higher high, higher lows, lower lower, lower highs, and that you need a bias. Look what the month normally does in the past. Have one currency, one direction, 5 to 7 pairs only, and happy trading. I see you on Friday.